Good morning, guys. In front of me is LG G7 Fit, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer. Then click on More icon and select Call Settings. Here, click on Call Blocking and Decline with Message. And as you can see, here you can block private numbers. You can provide a digit filter, so you can block numbers from particular country. Then you can check all blocked numbers here, or add some number manually here. You can select it from contacts, call logs, or provide a new number. Well, that's it. As you can see, it's pretty simple and easy. And the last option that you can customize here is message to decline. So here you can pick or create your own. So then you will be able to send one from those messages. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.